Hi guys, so for my Module 4 sales proposal, I chose to do Costco Wholesale. So for those of you who don't know, Costco Wholesale is an American multinational corporation that operates a chain of membership-only big box retail stores. And it is the fifth largest retailer in the world as of 2020, and it's also the largest retailer of organic foods, choice prime beef, and wine. The CEO as of 2012 is Craig Jelinek, and J.B. Smith is the Director of Marketing Strategy and Digital Growth. So that is who I would be writing the white papers to. So for the marketing problem that Costco is experiencing is that they are slow to adopt to online shopping, and they have a lack of advertising. So basically, all they sell is big products in bulk, and it's not ideal for customers who live further away. So online shopping would be better for them, and they can just deliver stuff to their house. And people are shopping online all the time now, and so it would be beneficial for Costco to start doing that, as it would increase sales. Walmart is a big competitor, such as Sam's Club, and they have a bigger advertising promotions and stuff, more than Costco does. So I think Costco needs to get their word out more, even though most people know what Costco is. It's just that they aren't aware of all the benefits Costco comes with for their members. Um, it's also important for them to um, mention all the employee benefits that Costco comes with. A lot of their employees get great health care, insurance, and other big perks. So why use white papers? White papers are a great marketing strategy. They provide essential information about the company while advocating a solution for the problem at hand. Usually white papers can be found on Google if you just search so-and-so white paper, and then it will pop up. So they're very easy to find. It would ultimately benefit Costco by illustrating to business owners that they can expand the company and try new marketing skills and strategies, to adhere to their constantly growing customers. Um, It would also benefit Costco's customers by answering questions to their problems and needs, as the problems mentioned, and it will also benefit employees by saying, the great benefits that they have from working there, because not very many people, know all the great benefits. So why choose me? I currently work at a grocery store now. I work at Natural Grocers, and I understand how they run their business. That grocery store is great for marketing. They have flyers and stuff, and it's a really great. They have a great strategy for marketing. So I have some experience with that. I'm young and eager to help the company grow, and I can create the white papers to build a better marketing strategy for the company. And ultimately, I believe that it will help Costco to get their sales up and promote to a higher volume of people while benefiting their employees. Thank you.